Welcome back to Biker's Choice, your ultimate destination for everything motorcycles. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the iconic Suzuki Savage 650. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner looking for a cruiser that's easy to handle, the Savage 650 has a lot to offer. Let's dive into why this bike has earned its place as a favorite among cruiser enthusiasts. The Suzuki Savage 650, also known as the Suzuki's 40 in some markets, is a classic cruiser that's been a staple in Suzuki's lineup for many years. With its retro design and single-cylinder engine, the Savage 650 is an ideal choice for riders who want a simple yet reliable bike that stands out in both performance and style. Known for its lightweight construction, it offers the perfect balance between ease of handling and a solid riding experience. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Suzuki Savage 650 is its 652cc single-cylinder engine, which gives the bike a unique character compared to typical multi-cylinder cruisers. This air-cooled engine provides enough power for city commutes and weekend rides, while still being manageable for newer riders. With a 5-speed transmission, the bike delivers smooth acceleration and decent top-end performance. What sets the Savage 650 apart is its low-end torque. The single-cylinder engine offers ample low-rpm power, which makes the bike easy to control, especially at lower speeds. Whether you're cruising through city streets or taking it out on longer rides, the Savage delivers a satisfying performance without overwhelming the rider. Design and features. One of the standout features of the Suzuki Savage 650 is its retro styling. The bike features a classic cruiser design with clean lines, a low-slung seat, and minimalist features that give it a timeless appeal. The 650's chrome details, including the exhaust pipe and spoke wheels, add a touch of elegance to its rugged build. Despite its vintage looks, the Savage 650 is designed for comfort. The bike's low seat height of just 27.6 inches makes it ideal for shorter riders or anyone who prefers a cruiser with better ground reach. The wide, cushioned seat ensures comfort on longer rides, and the simple instrumentation includes an analog speedometer and basic indicators, keeping things easy to read and user-friendly. Handling and ride quality. The Suzuki Savage 650 stands out with its lightweight frame and low center of gravity, which makes it exceptionally easy to handle. The bike's 31.7-inch seat height, combined with a relatively low curb weight 1 pounds, means it's perfect for newer riders, or those who want a bike that's easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Despite being a cruiser, the Savage 650 offers a surprisingly agile riding experience. Whether you're navigating through traffic or taking it out on winding back roads, the bike handles with confidence. While the suspension is relatively simple, it does a good job of absorbing bumps on both city streets and more uneven surfaces. The front and rear drum brakes offer decent stopping power, though some riders may prefer an upgrade to disc brakes for improved performance. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Suzuki Savage 650 is a timeless motorcycle that blends simplicity with style. Its manageable power, classic cruiser design, and lightweight build make it a fantastic choice for riders of all levels. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a no-frills bike for casual riding, the Savage 650 is worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Biker's Choice for more motorcycle reviews, tips, and news from the world of biking. Drop a comment below if you've ever ridden the Suzuki Savage 650, or if you're thinking about adding it to your collection. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe.